It's been about 15 minutes. Let's check the temperature again. 540. They do say you can cook on this. I think you can. I won't be cooking on it today, but I'm ready. I purchased these 2 cast iron pans at a thrift store. I paid $3 a piece. Sometimes you get lucky at the thrift store. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. As you see, our flame has gone up. So let's lower that again. That's a bit better. Here's a little history. The kerosene heater back in 1884 was known as the lamp stove. And it was the common way in America to heat up your home, all the way up to the mid-1900s. But then less and less people stopped using kerosene heaters because it was more convenient just to use oil, gas, or electric. But it doesn't matter, the kerosene heater continues living on. It is an easier way to heat up a cold garage, workshop, cabin, or shed. Also, when shutting this off, they do recommend to take it outside and shut it off. And if you plan on heating your house all day long with one of these, you have to keep in mind that this does produce carbon. Wherever you're keeping a kerosene heater, you should have a carbon detector, a fire extinguisher, and a smoke alarm. Also, pets can get hurt with this. I know cats like to jump on top of things. If they jump on top of this kerosene heater, well, they're going to feel it. And if you're going to keep it in the house on when people are walking by, you should be using these wall guards. The nice thing about this is it is extremely quiet. It makes no noise at all. There is absolutely no noise coming from this. As for the treatment, I don't smell the pine. But I still recommend it because it does reduce, or supposed to be reducing, the kerosene odor. Reduces the condensation. Extends your wick life. And increase heat efficiency. Also, the wall guards are to prevent anyone from pushing it closer to the wall, because you don't want this close to the wall. You don't want it near clothes. You don't want it up against your couch. You don't want it near your curtains as well. So there is a lot of responsibility to keep in consideration when owning one of these. I like it. I'm very happy with it. I wish I would have shown how cold it was in the shop when I started this. When we started, it was around 35 degrees. And if we look at my thermometer here, we're about 55 now. Where 55 is comfortable because I'm not wearing my gloves. If you see some of my videos, when it's the winter time, I'm wearing these gloves because these gloves also have the touchscreen option on the fingertips. I'm about to wrap this video up, but before I go, I'm going to turn this off. However, they do recommend to turn this off outdoors. But for filming purpose only, I'll be turning it off in the shop. This way you can see all the smoke and carbon that they talk about and the reason why they recommend to turn it off outdoors. Okay, look at the top. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you were able to see all that smoke and carbon. And that's why I recommend to own a carbon detector. Another thing is keep in mind that when it's filled with kerosene, it's pretty heavy. And just how heavy is it? Let's find out. Okay, I can't really show you from there, but it's 35 pounds. So 35 pounds isn't too heavy for most of us, but perhaps you shouldn't let Granny do this by herself. Well, there you have it. That's my video for today. I hope this video helps someone out there. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my own money, and I also purchased the other items you saw me that I was talking about of being safe, the fire extinguisher, the carbon monoxide detectors, and the smoke detector. I'll leave links in the description at the bottom of all those items. I am Amazon affiliated. If you make a purchase through the link I provide, I get a small kickback at absolutely no cost to you. And I will also do a follow-up video on how to maintain it, clean it, and store it away for the summertime when it's not needed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one.